Welcome to NASDAQ Trade Talks. I'm your host, Jill Malandrino, global markets reporter at NASDAQ, with the daily insight on the NASDAQ 100 Index, or the NDX, which is made up of 100 of the largest domestic and international non-financial companies listed right here on NASDAQ. The NDX has been the barometer for U.S. large-cap growth and also one of the best-performing indexes over the last decade and a half. Going into the 11 o'clock trade hour, the NASDAQ 100 is higher by nearly 0.5%, tracking gains in Europe after leaders in Europe said the UK and EU reached a deal on Brexit, as well as some earnings beats. We've been talking about Netflix all week. This is a NASDAQ 100 heavyweight. It reported earnings after the close last night that beat guidance and sales that met forecasts. Quarter over quarter, membership growth rebounded. However, the breakdown was a mixed bag, with domestic growth lagging plans by around 300,000, while international growth bested expectations. Shares are higher by just over 2%. Now, semiconductors, AMAT and LRCX, they are also top performers in the NASDAQ 100 today, as Taiwan Semiconductor beat its quarter. These are derivative plays off of TSM. Revenue rose 12.6% year over year, coming in ahead of expectations, and the company issued upside revenue guidance for the current quarter. More importantly, it boosted its 2019 cap budget to 14 to 15 billion and shared its 2020 spending plans will be similar, which sets up for future growth. We're looking at investing within the company to set up for future earnings. Finally, NASDAQ 100 constituent CSX, a rail company, beat earnings expectations and was able to even grow earnings thanks to higher efficiency ratios and share buybacks. Management maintained its full-year guidance and sees further potential to enhance services and efficiencies. From the NASDAQ market site in New York City, I'm Jill Malandrino, global markets reporter at NASDAQ.